Welcome, welcome, welcome. I know it's been a while. I want to thank all my subscribers, all my supporters. Um, I know it's been a minute since I did a toy hunt, but that will change because this is a toy rant and review, and I'm going to show you what I picked up, and then we're going to have some reviews. All right. This is the beginning of a change. I'm going to do more toy reviews. So with that being said, let's start on toy news. But first, this disclaimer. If you're under the age of 17, you should not be watching this video. This is for adult collectors only. Yeah, there's a lot going on. Toys that's toy drops that's been slowing down. Walmart, as you know, are having clearances. Target has been dry lately, but there has been toy drops. The Cobra La Soldier has been found in Target, and other things. As shown in the 2026 Toy Fair, we're getting deluxe versions of Ghost Jaga and Mumra, new mold. Now, I'm kind of upset with Super 7 because of the character selection. And leave your comment below and tell me what you think. They're coming out with, they just had a showing of them, and I'm really disappointed and I'm disgusted because there's other characters that need to be made, like the Lunatics. We need a Tug Mug. We need, from Berserkers, we need Top Spinner and Ram Bam. From what was shown, I was really disgusted. Wizra, Jagara, Zax, and who else? Oh, another Mumra. The decrepit version. Like, how many Mumras do we need? And, I checked out this other YouTuber video, and he hit the nail right on the head. He was like, these character selections is just whack. I'm really disgusted. One of the Amazon's Nydia has been found in Ross for $10. I don't really want that character. I would rather Snowman, and I know you're gonna laugh. Why are you having you guys Snowman? Waiting for a good deal, and I still need Bluegrass from the Silverhawks. Yes, I didn't get Bluegrass because I never liked Bluegrass because he never did anything but stayed in the Mirage. Fly the Mirage. I would have to get him to complete the Silverhawks, the non-vac metal version, of course. So hopefully we'll see that at Ross at some point. Who knows? I also watched Uncle Tim, and he made a lot of sense. He said that somebody commented saying, "You talking about toys when there's a war going on?" Yeah, there is a war. For me, I'm not into politics. If I was, I'll be killed. I'll be Martin Luther King or Tupac. Yeah, there is a war going on, and it's meaningless to me. And it could affect us. It could stop us from doing what we love to do. It's collecting, doing these videos. How, you say, couldn't affect us? Hey, all it takes is one bad day, one missile. Because America's dropping bombs over there. One's preventing them to drop a bomb over here and end everything that we love. these people, not those particular people, but people that retaliated against America, took down the Twin Towers, and a lot of people lost their lives. A lot of people lost loved ones. What's going to stop them from doing it again? All it takes is one bad day, one nuclear missile, and we're all dead. And we can't collect, we can't do nothing. Dead bodies all over the place. Blood and guts. Death. No more toys collecting for us. But don't think about that. Go out there and keep on collecting. All right. But what I got, and I let's go to another topic. Let's go to another topic, eh? Who knows? We might end up like this guy, Dr. Bones. But I digress. Found this guy at Walmart. Thank God, because I did not want to pay $50 for this on Walmart.com. $47.88. No. Got this in store for $27. Thank God. Fuck you, eBay. Fuck you. I got this cheap. Mr. Bones. Telephone call for Mr. Bones. Ow. Look at the eyes of this guy. Some people. Mr. Bones. All right. And we've got Obsidian JSA Sister Jade. Yep. The manipulator of the dark force itself, Obsidian. Yeah, man. I picked up a lot of stuff. You ready? So, leave a comment in below and tell me what y'all think, man. What am I looking for? I was gonna get the new turtles from NECA, the Last Ronin, the younger turtles, but come on, $34 for that? Come on. Really? It's too much money. On another note, excuse me, this must be said. This must be said. Because nobody's really talking about it on YouTube. Some are, but let me tell you something. And I touched on this before, and it's toy related. Okay? Todd McFarlane took DC license to another plateau. Quality, yes. Quality issues. Man-made stuff will always have quality issues. There'll always be defects. There'll always be quality issues. All right? That's just reality. Okay? Stop the bullshit. That's what it is. The man took DC and brought it to another level. Okay? That's facts. You can't rebuttal that. It's facts, bitch. Learn to live with it. Yes, the man had quality control with some of the figures, proportions, what have you. What the fuck ever. He made too much. He made too many Batmen and not that much diverse characters. We still haven't got all of the legion of superheroes. We have not got the extremists. My Vision. Those villains. Lord Havoc. Dream Slayer. Gorgon. Tracer. Okay? The extremists. Dr. Diehard. That screams McFarlane to me. And he didn't make them. We're still we're still waiting for the that gangbuster to come out. He still haven't made a comic book accurate Peacemaker. He made the John Cena live action series Peacemaker. We're still waiting for Poison Ivy. We're still waiting for Black Canary. He finally made Zatanna and Detective Chimp. To me, anyway. He made Huntress. Yeah. But you still haven't made Flash villain, Trickster, Weather Wizard. You made Mirror Master. You made Captain Cold. You even made Boomer. Captain Boomerang. Where's the fuck is the Trickster? You fucked around and Mattel took the license back. Oh, don't count us out yet. This is these toys, the 6 inches new Mattel action figures that was shown at 2026 Toy Fair. They're targeted for kids. You haven't seen the collectors yet. I'm telling you. And I'm not going to say this anymore. This is be the last motherfucking time I say it. Mattel, you better bring it. Because if you don't, guess what? Your ass out. Your ass out, because bar none, McFarlane took it up a notch. And if you can't reach that, then there's no point, bro. There's no fucking point. Yeah, we're gonna wait. We're gonna see what happens. Now, since McFarlane lost the license, now he's gonna make Sony stuff, video game stuff. I heard. Okay. All right. I mean, I'm old school. There's 3 properties. I mean, yeah, the one toy company. I think it was who was it? Jax? I forgot the name. Yeah, you're making Streets of Rage and Altered Beast, but they're small. God, I want Jada Toys to take over those 2 lines and make them bigger. That'd be incredible, just like Street Fighter. Incredible. I would like to see Jada Toys make Darkstalker figures. Come on. Ain't nobody making Darkstalker figures. You're making Street Fighter. Tekken, they made Tekken. I got Tanahashi and the other guy. I need Jin. I got Kazuna. I think it is. I need that tiger guy. I'm telling you, man. Jada can do it. So, but I digress, man. Leave a comment below. Share, like, and subscribe, because this content is free of charge. And I want to thank everybody. Yeah. Come on, man. McFarlane brought it up. And Mattel, if you can't match that, then you're in big fucking trouble. McFarlane, he's not going to stop making toys. He just go another way. He lost a DC license. Hey. He just go independent then. You're coming out with Hellboy. I'm getting that. You're coming out with Shadowhawk. I'm getting that. The only thing I got against that is $60 fucking dollars. Spawn is already out. The Elite. $60 fucking dollars? Fuck you. I'm paying it. But damn. Shadowhawk, Savage Dragon, Hellboy. Later in the year, he coming out with Prophet from Youngblood. And motherfucking from Wildcats, he coming out with Spartan. I already got Grifter. He made Grifter. Didn't come with no guns, came with 2 knives. What the fuck? I hope he continues that. But I hope it is. If he can make independent comic book series figures, do that. I'm down with that. I really hope he does that. If you see this video, McFarlane, bro, I'm down with Hellboy. Hopefully you make some villains. I would like, from Savage Dragon, I would like Overlord. That'd be dope figure. I don't know if he's gonna make Wetworks. I don't know. Maybe. Hopefully he'll make some more Wildcat figures. We need some Wildcat figures. Hellspawn, the Pike, the one that looks like Deadpool. Shit, I even get a Key Marlowe, a Damonite, especially Hellspawn. Leave your comment below and tell me. Let them know, bro. You should go heavy on Wildcats. We need some Wildcats. Build your own mall. We need some Wildcats. Warblade. Grifter's brother, Black Razor. Make him too. Slag, the Troika. I go in. I watched the Wildcats cartoon. They used to come on Channel 2. Remember that? Yeah. I'm in. Prophet, all that. Youngblood, Shaft, Troll, Die Hard, Chapel. Make them, man. Let's go. Let's go. Make them. Brigade. All from, like, what? That's Image, right? Go heavy on Image, bro. I'm down. Because, you know, everything this whole year is going to be He-Man. And that's another thing. Hey, Mattel, do what you got to do. But I'm not getting no 6-inch figures. I'm done with He-Man. Some figures, yeah. That's that new Scareglow from the Chronicles. Yes, I'm getting that. Hopefully they'll make Buzz Off. I do need Buzz Off. And please finish the Snake Man. I need Tongue Lasher, a new Snake Face, Squeeze, King Hiss. Come on. Masters of the Universe Chronicles Snake Man. Let's do it. All right, so let's get back to what I got. All right, because this is the video. This is the video. This is the shit right now. This shit right now. All right. Bam. Talk about Super 7. See, you need to come with the fire like this. See, the whole wave. You got Hardware, Flashback, Condor, Melodia. That whole wave is fire. Flashback. This is dope. And it has a gloss on it that's so dope. See the back? This is a dope ass figure. I had to get this. Had to get that bad. And next that we picked up, I ordered this from deepdiscount.com. Free shipping. I'm not dealing with Entertainment Earth selling it for $71. If y'all getting these figures, Silverhawk figures from Entertainment Earth and spending $71, y'all, I'm gonna tell y'all straight up, y'all some fucking idiots. I'm not paying that. 65 is expensive enough. Come on, bro. It should be 55. Should go down to 55 or 45. Come on, man. The fuck is wrong with you, bro? Look in my eyes, motherfucker. I'm serious, bitch. Look at this Hardware. Hardware in your mouth, bitch. I ain't playing. Bam. Deep discount. Fuck Pop Market. Deep discount. Anything over 25, free shipping. Amazon got these figures, but guess what? Not available till March 17th. Deep discount. Even the if you get it from Super 7, yeah, you paying you're gonna get these for 65, but guess what? You're paying for shipping and tax. Fuck you. So go to deep discount. Some might be available, some might not. They might be sold out. So go on there quickly. I highly suggest Sticking with places that have free shipping. You're paying enough for these figures. Come on. I'm not just here just to show y'all this. I'm here to help y'all. Straight up. And I should be getting more views. Come on. Let's get serious. My content should be getting more views. Stop the bullshit. Share, like, and subscribe. It's free. Come on. Come on. Give your boys some fun fucking respect here. I should be getting 100 views at least. Let's go. Stop the bullshit. Come on. Stop the bullshit. Enough is enough. More views, please. Thank you. Share. I don't give a fuck if it's your grandmother. All right. We got Akuma. Bam. In the back. Bam. The rest. Like I said, Jada Toys is bringing the heat. Bam. Cammy's right here. Bam. Gotta get Bullrog next. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. More views. And I got something for your ass. Bam. Akuma has been acquired. Bam. And I got something else coming, but it's not come yet. And I got something over there y'all are never really gonna believe. But we gonna rant a little bit before we do that. And then we gonna get in here. So, yeah. It's a meaningless, tacky, untangible war we're waging in somebody else's country. Oh, we're helping that country, and we're going to protect their interests. And meanwhile, this will take all the attention off the Epstein files. Really? And keep me out of jail. God bless America. God bless America being run by crooks and thieves and rapists. For the people, by the people. That's what it should be. There's people in America starving, homeless. Our veterans need more respect. They gave their lives for this country. Some came back shell-shocked, different, altered mentally, and they need help, and yet they're tossed to the wayside like garbage. My father was a veteran. Fought for this country. He passed away by other means. We're not going to get into that now. But veterans should be treated better than they are. I give 1,000% respect to the veterans that paid the price, paid the sacrifice for this fucking country that we sometimes take for granted. Just for you to walk outside and smile and breathe and see cars pass by and go into stores like Walmart, Target, and order shit, you should fucking be happy and smile for that small fucking freedom. You're black, white, Asian, whatever you are, ass should be fucking happy. There's some Americans that can't even get health care. And people, and I'm not being prejudiced, and people from other countries get the health care faster, and they're not even from this fucking country. And they bring their fucking ass here and get free fucking health care, and our beautiful American people can't get shit Not even a piece of fucking hamburger off the fucking grill without a fucking problem. There are homeless Americans that paid the price. This video is for them. What the fuck is your problem? Yeah, laugh. It's funny, right? Just for you to go in the fucking bathroom and wipe your fucking ass. That's a privilege, bitch. So keep on smiling. Keep on fucking laughing like it's a fucking joke. Because it ain't no joke. I've seen the eyes of true evil. And they say they care about America. They care about our well-being. They don't give a shit about nobody but themselves. So sit on the highest fucking throne in America in that damn beautiful, beautiful, beautiful White House. And I'm going to keep on ranting. And I'm going to keep on motherfucking collecting toys until the end. Because that's what I do. Doom to all the Philistines, the defilers. Doom to the unworthy. Death to the vile Philistines. Bam! From Hayata Toys. I saw a review on this on YouTube. They said this Ghidra, King Ghidra, blows the S&H Monster Arts version out the water. And I had that. And I had to throw it away because it was defective. They articulated it and it fell apart. You know, you try to like pose it and stuff like that, you know. The head would pop off. Couldn't get it back on. The wing got broke. Tried to glue it. That was a monstrosity. So for that, S&H Monster Arts Ghidra is fucking between $250 and $300 on the aftermarket. Do not buy it. Buy this. Buy this. Fuck you, S&H Monster Art, for that. Fuck you. The toy was defective. This is way better. The eyes are more detailed. And it's cheaper. Only paid like $130 for this. Hayata Toys, thank you. We're gonna open this up. We're gonna review it. See? Told you. Bam. We're gonna review this toy. So, let's see. Let's get started, okay? Shall we? Right on screen. Right here. This is a big box. I ordered this from Walmart.com because Amazon wanted too much. What else? Big Bag Toy Store. They said it's coming in March. Coming in April. Big Bag Toy Store, Entertainment Earth. Like it's too much bullshit. Walmart had it available now, and they shipped it. Oh my God! Look at this, y'all. Look at that. Holy crap. There you go. Holy crap. Yeah. It is thicker. Let me see the. Oh, yeah. Holy crap. Look at that. Right on the shelf. All right. See? All right. There's tapes on the side here. And now the other side. Take this. Put it to your chest. Like that. Like so. Then we... Oh, there's some more tape on the front. At the top, I should say. Okay, see here? Okay. Right on the show. Random review, I told you. Okay. Wow. There's tape here. Tape here. Hi-Ada Toys are really being raved for their toys. They got what else toys they got? They got out Godzilla. This is from the Exquisite Basics line. This is they're coming out with Godzilla 2000, Godzilla from the 90s. Wow. Ooh, looky. Wow. Whoa. Holy crap. Yeah, these figures are big. Yo, this is wow. Whoa, bro. And let me say this. Let me say this. Wow. Let me say this. Hi-Ada Toys, this is bigger than S&H Monster Arts. I don't know why S&H Monster Arts, S&H Monster Arts, they're a little smaller. This one, this Ghidra is chunky. Look at the girth on that. Wow. And another thing. Wow. I'm just flabbergasted. It's really, I didn't expect it to be this big. Look at the heads. Wow. And I'm looking, the eyes are wow, I'm impressed. They were right. This one blows S&H Monster Arts out the water. Look at the thickness. Look at the thickness in the neck. Yeah, the other one was kind of like feeble. And the wings, the tips, look at that. Yup. Oh, now I remember. Of course, in other videos, yeah, there's other videos of this guy, but guess what? They ain't the fucking Toy Ranter reviews. Wow, the wings are made of. They're not like the other wings. They are. Whoa. Yeah, the wings are. I'm not going to take it out of the case. I'm not going to take it out the case because it's. Oh my God, this is fantastic. I'm feeling the wings, and I don't have to worry about the wingtips breaking off because the S&H Monster Arts was just horrible. It was really a horrible toy, and this one seems quality is good. So if you're thinking about getting Hayata Toys King Ghidorah figure, please invest it. It's worth it. I'm looking at it. I'm feeling it. It's a beautiful, beautiful toy, and I want to keep it in the case because I mean, there's no reason for me to take it out. I mean, I just wanted y'all to, you know, because I know in other videos they other videos have been made of this guy, but not my version. But I just want you to hear it from me, because I ordered it, and I'm really, 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 really impressed. Even the mouths on the monsters. Look at that. And they and on the SNH Monstars version, the mouth was like this, like that, like a crack addict. Yeah, you can you lend me $5,000 so I can give me some crack and some house? Yeah, it was itching. But yeah, the bottom, don't do that. They open and shut. Oh my God, this and the eyes are. Oh my God, this is the shit. I highly recommend it. It does blow the SNH Monstars one version out the water. This is holy crap. I'm so glad. Actually, I'm going to compare it with some stuff here. Hold on. All right, we'll be right back. Bam. All right, gang. Now we have Hayata Toys Ghidorah, and we have from Godzilla 2000, we have Orga. Now, if Hayata Toys make Orga, I'm going to sell this because this is just a vinyl, and I still have, and this is worth a lot of money because it still got the tag. So yeah, so I'm comparing it, and wow. Of course, it's going to be bigger than Orga, but and now we're going to compare it to another vinyl toy. Told y'all. Hayata Toys, please make this. SNH Monstars will probably make this guy first, but I got Megalon. Look at that, vinyl. No tag on this one, but this is worth money too. Even though he doesn't got the tag, this is worth money on the secondary market. And I'm comparing it. Nice size, they fit. They fit. Megalon. Okay. So you. And finally, which I still have in the case, NECA Godzilla. Of course, but this is bigger than the. I saw videos where they compared this to SNH Monstars. Yeah, you can't see it, but oh my God, I don't want to take it out the case because I'm kind of like a in packaged collector now. And I used to be like that, but yeah, he's good. It's good. Wish I can hold up. Of course, you can't compare. I would have to take it out the damn case. Shit. That tail, yeah. But I'm gonna keep him in the case. Sorry about that, folks. But yeah, and he's heavy. That's NECA Godzilla Tokyo SOS. Yeah, but yeah. Oh yeah. This is the shit. I'm glad I got it. The wings are very flexible. Very flexible. Very flexible. Nice. Quality. Bam. All right, we'll be back with final thoughts right here on RANT TV. Bam. Well, everybody, thank you. I'm gonna, Whew. I want to thank you for tuning in. Like I said, just be careful. Be mindful of your surroundings. Be careful out there hunting and being toys. This is just only the beginning. We're gonna have more in-depth toy reviews. So don't fret. I'm gonna bring the rain. We are going to another toy show. I'll be bringing y'all that, and I will be going on a toy hunt later, probably tomorrow. So, and we will be going to True Believers. So, be on the lookout for those upcoming videos. This has been fucking noise. This has been Rant TV presentation. I want to thank all my subscribers. Like I said, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. We're going to try to get to 600 subscribers and beyond. So with that being said, I want to thank you. We got a lot more toys to review. So this is just the beginning. And hopefully we can finish out our Lunatic team. Oh, one more thing. Don't let this happen to you. I already sent it back. I had ordered, I thought I was getting over, because from the Lunatics Thundercat Ultimates, I need a Chilla figure. Chilla, the cold bitch. I had actually ordered that from Amazon, and instead of sending me that character, they sent me Wily Cat. So be careful ordering stuff on Amazon and them sending you the wrong shit. I'm really pissed off. Like I said, I ordered this King Ghidra from Walmart. Got him. I ordered from Deep Discount. Again, Deep Discount. Please. They're legit. Buy from them. Fuck Pop Market. All right. So with that being said, deep discount all the way. Yeah, I'm representing them. Deep discount all day, every day. Let's get it. Even Best Buy. I still got to get that Safari Joe. Still got to get more Condor and Melodia. So when they come, we're going to have an in-depth review on them. I will be taking them out of the case. Okay? Just to let you know. So with that being said, I want to thank y'all. Peace out. And like I said, you keep hunting and I'll keep ranting. Later, y'all.